Hello guys, Game Changers back again, showing you an amazing custom keyboard. Basically, I'm excited about this because it still haven't been patched, so let's get into the video. So guys, as you can see, this is the exact keyboard I'm on about. You can switch it from basically switching multiple colours at once to switching in between different colours. This is amazing. It's kind of like a jailbreak style keyboard without having to jailbreak for it. So yeah, I'm so glad that this is still around. It has not been taken down or anything. So in a couple of seconds we're going to get into how to actually get this app. There will be a link down in the description. It may be Royal Earls as I'm struggling with money at the moment. Just moved into my new place and I need to earn a bit of cash to get some stuff sorted out basically. So if you don't mind, just use that link below. If not, just search her up. You'll see the app name now in a second. So pretty much you want to go onto the App Store. You want to type in exactly what I typed in. That's if you don't use the link below. Totally up to you again, like I said. As you can see, it's got a 4.9 rating. That's because it works outstandingly. You just want to download it. It is free. Don't worry about that, guys. You haven't got to pay anything for this. You just want to press on the download. Mine obviously had a cloud because I've used this before and I still currently use it now. Doesn't take long to download at all, but it will install an app. As soon as you tap on this app, it'll come up saying Chroma keyboard. It'll explain to you how to set it up, but I'm going to go through that with you right now. So basically you want to go into settings, go down to general, accessibility, no, down to keyboard, and then keyboards at the top, and then add new keyboard, and you want to press on Chroma. You'll see it right there under the third party keyboards. Then you want to tap back on it and allow full access, so it allows you to actually turn it on. And then to use it, if I go on Twitter, I'll start a tweet. As you can see, the tweet will start as my normal thing, but then as soon as I press the little icon down in the bottom and press Chroma, it will switch to the custom keyboard. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like for more videos and more tutorials on iOS devices. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.